Hello, Eric Crawford with IFP Connect, and here's a brief demo of one of our patented products. So traditionally, when a data plate is installed, whether that's to a wall plate or to a wireless antenna, category cable is used, and it looks like this inside the wall. 30 to 40 to 50 individual conductors need to be managed to make this work. With our hardware, we deliver that same user experience via our patented transceivers, but we do all of that over a single strand of fiber. Our hardware is revolutionizing the $13 billion data networking market. And the great thing is that our products do not just work in the US, they work internationally. So that is IFP Connect, and help join our mission to revolutionize the way data networks are built.